Hi everyone, Kamran Nouri here. In the previous video where we had some animations of a rotating wheel, at some particular speed the wheel seemed to be still while rotating and showed some stationary patterns. I'm sure you have noticed this visual perception in movies as well. So I decided to make this video just for fun to see these patterns. This phenomenon is the result of the interference between the rotation of the symmetrical wheel with the frame rate of the movie. Since the wheel has 4 pairs of spokes, whenever it rotates at an integer multiple of 1/4 of a revolution per frame, we see these stationary patterns. There are some other patterns that are visible at multiples of 1/8, 1/16, and 1/6 of a revolution per frame, but they are not as much clear and pass more quickly. The patterns are more stable and clear when the revolution per frame is a multiple of 1/4, as it is happening right now. Watch. Right now, and passes. This is because if you rotate the wheel by 1/4 of a revolution, it will look identical except for the colors. In mathematics, these are called the rotational symmetry group of the wheel. The colors and the valve are added to show that the wheel is in fact changing angular position. Now approaching 3/8 of a revolution per frame, which is similar to 1/8 of a revolution per frame. Now we are getting close to 4/8 of a revolution per frame, which is half a revolution per frame. Look. Now getting close to 5/8, which is similar to 1/8 and 3/8. Right about now, watch. Now getting close to 2/3 of a revolution per frame, which I mentioned before. Here it is. Now closing on 3/4 of a revolution per frame. Here it is. Now closing on 7/8, and so on. Notice that at exactly 1 revolution per frame, the wheel appears completely at rest and seems to start over again. Now watch and enjoy. In case you're wondering, this video is made of 12,000 frames at about 30 frames per second. And the angular acceleration of the wheel is about 1 radians per second square, going from rest to more than 2 revolutions per frame.